salutations, welcome back to another video, another gaming video, and this time it's not gonna be a Roblox game, it's gonna be another Flash game again. So it's the game called Dynamite Train, yeah, it's a game I got really mad at before, and let's try it again, this time. Alright, here we go. I know how to do this shit, okay? Jesus. Okay! Let's fucking go. God. Okay, let me try to do this. Okay! Oh, come on! Yes! We fucking got it! Oh, God, Jesus! Well, I don't have any fucking patience, okay? I just want to go home. Ah, fuck! I did it the wrong time. Jesus, why? This game is just so damn hard. Come on. Yes. We got it. Alright, let's see. If we can make it. No! It didn't fucking break! Oh, there it is! Okay. Let's see what I can find. Damn it! It's not falling off! Just fucking fall off already! God damn it. Why is this game so hard? Why do they make this game so hard? Yes! Okay! We got it. Okay. Yes. Fine falling off. You know what? I'm starting to get tired of this shitty ass music. Go. Damn it! It just wasn't enough. Damn this game. God damn this game. already! Jesus! Just fall off! Just fall off! No! I swear if it does that one more time. Okay, finally. Oh, shit. Here we go. Go, 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 go. Why isn't this train even falling? No, I'm sorry. I'm starting to lose patience. Just fucking go already. Just fucking go. Just fucking go. Damn it! Jesus, why isn't it falling off? I'm about. Okay, you know what? I'm done with this. You know what? Fuck this game. This game can go kiss my ass in hell.